Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to cut a hole in the wall. Not just necessarily a hole, but a shape. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to click on the wall, go to the top to which I'm here, and then what I'm going to do is make sure you've got the text on the wall so it knows that you're drawing up on the wall. If you don't, it'll make it onto the floor. So here we go. We're just going to make a quick shape, maybe a rectangle or whatever shape that you want to get started, just so it has a reference point. Once I've placed it, I'm going to turn it. You can see there's my block. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to make it a bit thicker. So I'm going to make it around 350. I'm going to make it 300 because the wall itself is 250 thick. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the move section, and I actually am going to click. I'm going to first change this to 250, and then I'm going to click on the blue minus arrow, as you can see there. And it's going to take it into the wall. I'm just checking to make sure it goes right through, because obviously we want to cut the hole right through the wall. Before I do that, I'm going to go in and edit this so that I can get the shape and the size exactly as I want it. So what I'm doing now is I'm just positioning it up against the cupboard so there'll be a nice archway through. I'll tell you what, we're going to do a little bit extra. We're going to put a little bit of like a cubby hole, serving hatch or breakfast bowl on the side. So what I've done now is I've actually gone in and I'm adding some nodes so that I can drag and pull the shape into the position that I want. So let's make it a bit bigger. There we go. You can see. So taking my little arrow, I can now click on those nodes. I'm going to pull it down so it's level. I'm going to pull this one out about halfway. There we are, halfway between that sort of and I'm going to pull the other one across and line it all up nice and square. If it cross with hairs, you can see it's nice and square. Let's make a round top. Let's put a bit of a round in here, a bit of a curve. That will be quite nice. If you're going through to the dining room area or something. So now I've created my shape. I'm going to click on the shape itself, and you'll see it'll turn blue with all the red arrows. I can still adjust it from this point if I want to. I'm now going to go down, right clicking and going down to perforate. By clicking on that, it automatically cuts the shape I've created through the wall. This is awesome because now you can put almost any shape that you want through a wall. Now you've got your walking area, you've got your curve at the top. Tell you what, let's put a shaped worktop in. So what I'm going to do now, and sometimes it's better also to zoom in a little bit, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually zoom in so I can see the shape I want. Click again on the top, and I'm just going to drag over a little block so it fits in. Not too worried about exactly where it is now, we're going to actually drag and pull it across. So looking from the top view, can't really see it because of the hole in the wall, so we're going to just adjust our view like that. And now I can actually drag to where I want to position the top of the cupboard. I can go across, and where the height of it is 150, let's make that a 32 more. There we go. Now we need to extend this worktop across to the side, so we're going to go into the edit tool. Again, I'm going to use those nodes as we did before. Let's add one there, another one there. Now all I'm going to do is just drag it towards the counter, the unit, the cabinet. Let's put it past slightly. And we'll put it in the shape. You know what? Let's make a little breakfast bowl. Let's put a curve in here. That's, yep, like that. It's okay. And you'll see that it's generated the worktop for us with that curve. Very easy, very simple, very fast. Let's put in, I don't know, let's have a look. What about some granite? Okay, or some marble granite. Let's go. I'm just going to drag this onto the worktop. You now ask me, and I'm going to say all. So all the edges, everything are done. There we go. We've now just created that whole unit with a little breakfast bar that pulls through. Obviously, if you had other walls on the other side going into a dining room, you could do that as well. But you can actually create the shape going through. I hope this video has helped. Just gives you a little bit more insight on what you can actually do just on the wall surfaces.